10 Financial Strategies for Beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Managing finances effectively is a crucial skill that can greatly impact one's quality of life. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, implementing solid strategies can make a significant difference. In this video, we will explore 10 essential financial strategies for beginners that can lay the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. 1. Create a budget. Budgeting is the cornerstone of good financial management. It helps you track your income and expenses, allowing you to allocate resources efficiently. Start by listing all sources of income and then categorize your expenses. Allocate a portion of your income to each category and stick to it as closely as possible. Tools like budgeting apps and spreadsheets can be immensely helpful. 2. Save for emergencies. Building an emergency fund is vital for financial security. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net in case of unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or major repairs. Keep it in a separate, easily accessible account like a savings account. 3. Manage debt responsibly. If you have existing debt, focus on paying it down systematically. Start with high-interest debts like credit cards. Consider strategies like the debt snowball, paying off the smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche, paying off the highest interest rate debts first. Avoid accumulating more debt than you can comfortably manage. 4. Invest wisely. Investing allows your money to grow over time. For beginners, start with low-risk, long-term options like a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. Consider investing in a tax-advantaged account like an individual retirement account, IRA, or a 401k if available. Research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor before making investment decisions. Additionally, explore alternative investment opportunities, such as real estate or peer-to-peer lending, to further diversify your portfolio and potentially increase returns. Remember, the key to successful investing is a balanced approach that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. 5. Set financial goals. Having clear financial goals provides direction and motivation. Short-term goals could include saving for a vacation or a down payment on a car, while long-term goals may involve retirement planning or buying a home. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals to keep you focused and on track. Regularly track your progress towards these goals and celebrate your milestones along the way. It's also important to periodically reassess and adjust your goals as your financial situation and priorities evolve. Remember, setting goals not only gives you a sense of purpose, but also provides a framework for making informed financial decisions that align with your aspirations. 6. Live below your means. Resist the urge to overspend, especially on non-essential items. Differentiate between needs and wants, and prioritize your financial well-being over momentary indulgences. Living below your means allows you to save more, invest more, and reduce financial stress in the long run. Consider adopting frugal habits like meal planning, using public transportation, or buying second-hand items when possible. Additionally, periodically review your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. Remember, practicing mindful spending not only helps you build a stronger financial foundation, but also cultivates a healthy relationship with money. 7. Diversify your income sources. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. Look for opportunities to diversify your income streams. This could involve freelance work, a side business, or investments in income-generating assets, like rental properties. Exploring multiple avenues of income not only provides a safety net in case of unexpected job loss, but also increases your overall earning potential. It's important to assess your skills, interests, and resources to determine the best way to diversify your income. Additionally, consider building passive income streams, such as investing in dividend-paying stocks or creating digital products, which can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Remember, diversifying your income sources not only enhances your financial security, but also opens up opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. 8. Stay informed and educated. Financial markets and regulations evolve, so it's important to stay informed. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and consider taking courses on personal finance. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Additionally, consider attending seminars or workshops conducted by financial experts to gain valuable insights and stay updated on industry trends. Engage in discussions with professionals or peers in the financial community to broaden your understanding of different investment options and strategies. Utilize reliable online resources, such as financial forums or blogs, to access a wealth of information and diverse perspectives on various financial topics. Remember, staying informed and educated empowers you to navigate the complex world of finance with confidence and make choices that align with your long-term financial goals. 9. Review and adjust periodically. As your life circumstances change, so should your financial strategies. Periodically review your budget, investments, and financial goals. Adjust them to reflect your current situation and aspirations. This flexibility ensures that your financial plan remains relevant and effective. 10. Practice patience and discipline. Building a solid financial foundation takes time and discipline. Avoid impulsive decisions and stick to your long-term financial plan. Be patient, and remember that small, consistent steps can lead to significant progress over time. Implementing these 10 financial strategies for beginners can set you on the path to financial stability and prosperity. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination. By creating a budget, saving for emergencies, managing debt, investing wisely, setting goals, living below your means, diversifying income, staying informed, reviewing and adjusting, and practicing patience and discipline, you can build a strong financial future. Start today and watch your financial well-being grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chasing those digital dreams.